Hey guys, this is Gary Gunn. I want to talk to you about two really solid strategical thinking pieces. I'm going to repeat it slow. Leadership without breaking a sweat, and management on cruise control. That's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to share something with you that has been around a long, long time in my life. I've taught it to many, many automotive repair shop owners, and hopefully they put it to great use. My friends, here's a simple diagram, but it's very interesting to look at. So we'll take this side over here. We called it leadership without breaking a sweat. And it's all about vision and strategy. Strategy of where I'm going. What am I going to do? What's this automotive repair shop going to smell like, taste like? What's it going to do in the marketplace? How are customers going to see it, believe it? That's what I'm talking about. Excuse me. The other side here is management on cruise control. That's all about systems and people. Remember, when you're managing on cruise control, you are managing systems, not people. Systems run the business and people run the systems. Now, when you get down here, you talk about a method and model. That's your leadership side, your operations ingredients. What is your recipe for success? Marketing, advertising, what is it? I want you to think about it, work about it, and live it. My friends, this is the triangle. It includes leadership without breaking a sweat, management on cruise control, and method and model. And guess what you have in the middle? A money machine. Cranks out money, puts it in the bank, and grows your bank account. That, my friends, is what I'm talking about. You repeat that. Leadership without breaking a sweat. Management on cruise control. If you want to know more and you want to know how to make your business and you lead and manage just like we talked, 270 282 1262. Please call. We'll talk. Bye bye.